At least 70 people are dead after a fire destroyed several buildings in a centuries-old neighborhood of Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. U.S.-aided Syrian forces have given a group of Islamic State fighters to officials in Iraq. The forces are preparing for an operation to capture the last part of Syrian territory under the militants' control. And Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro says his country will close its border with Brazil because of a dispute with opposition leader Juan Guaido over humanitarian aid.